Hello, Chef Marcus Guiliano here. Just got done with my morning run, 6.25 miles, 54 minutes. Back on track, it seems like. So when I run is when things go through my mind like crazy. The thought processes, the business ideas, the things that I think of are great. So I just want to share with you after my run while stuff is fresh on my mind. I want to talk about who trains employees. Who is the ultimate person who trains your employees? Now, you might say, well, I am as the entrepreneur, I am as the boss, I am as the manager, I am as the line manager, as the area manager, I train my employees. Ultimately, folks, it's their parents. It's their parents, their grandparents, their legal guardian. It's how they grew up. That's who trained them. You can do workshop after workshop after workshop, and sure, things improve, but you cannot change somebody's character. You cannot change somebody's discipline. These are very hard things to do. You have to go through a transformation to do things like that. So the average manager doesn't have the qualifications to teach and lead a team through transformations. You can give them tips, you can give them tricks, you can help them work on their goals, you can work with them, but ultimately how they grew up. Quick story, Christmas Day, customer handed all of my staff $20. All of my staff, kitchen, everything. Merry Christmas, everybody $20. Plus he left his normal tip. Well, the one kid in the dishwasher, he was like, who gave me this money? I'm like, the gentleman at the bar. He goes, do you mind if I go say thank you to him? I said, not at all. Please go say thank you to him. He went out to the bar and said, thank you very much, Merry Christmas. A couple of my other staff did too, but this kid, you can tell, just his manners, immaculate. Always please and thank you, Marcus. I appreciate it. I appreciate the hours. I didn't teach him that. His parents taught him that. His home life taught him that. You want people that you don't want to share your mission with them. You want them to share your mission. And the way that they're going to share your mission is by them sharing your core values of your business before they walk in the door. So for me, we serve a lot of organic food. It's farm to table. We have a great independent bar selection. I'm not going to hire somebody who drinks Coca-Cola or drinks Budweiser beer, and that's all that they really understand is Budweiser beer. When I don't have Budweiser beer, I don't have any of those products. So you need to find somebody who already shares your mission and bring them on board. Easier said than done, but they're out there. And the more that you get out there, the more you get online and talk about your mission, the more you're going to attract those employees to do so. So, quick, under 3-minute video today. Thanks for watching. Leave some comments, questions. I'll be happy to answer.